The International Global Experience Program has been a culmination of my association with Dr. Agarwal, who was appointed as the first Vice Chancellor of the Gujarat Technological University. My association with him dates back to his position as the chair of the Department of Computer Science in Windsor University, and that strengthened once he became the Vice Chancellor at Gujarat Technological University. And this idea floated to have a global experience program for students from GTU, where they would come here for during the summer for 6 weeks to take 2 courses in a particular stream. And then we discussed about 3 possible streams, including computer science, pharmacy, and mechanical engineering. So to start with, we decided that we would go with only 2 streams to limit the number of students to about 200 students, so that we could manage the students and the facilities for all the students in a proper way, and learn from our experience to be able to better offer the program to a larger number of students and to the third stream as well. So we have worked almost 2 years to make this program to fruition, and this has been the result that the students this time were able to come here. So about 111 students arrived here in 3 groups on 3 days, and then will also be returning in 3 groups back. It has been a unique experience, not only for myself, but my colleagues, the dean, the administration, which includes the vice president, academic, and all the other faculty members, and also the administration, as they have for the first time seen such a large number of students or group of students coming from a foreign country for a program which is a unique program that is started. The idea behind this program is to strengthen further from the undergraduate courses to graduate level and to the research level collaboration, so that we can have students from GTU come here for master's program and for PhD programs, where we could have joint supervision of faculty of the students by the faculty members. So the students could come here for 1 year or a short duration of period to work in the lab or work with a professor as a joint supervisor in the PhD program, and also to have other extensions to the master's program as well. So this experience with the undergraduate students has been very unique in the university. The university, all parts of administration, they have been very happy to see and to get this kind of an experience. And I believe from the students' perspective also, by interaction with them, that they have been extremely happy with the program, and they have really liked the program, which is going to help them further in their further studies or in their careers. And they can now get the real feel of what exactly the system of education is in Canada, and this will help them further develop their skills and further go for their higher studies if they are interested in doing their master's or PhD programs. They have also been able to enjoy their time over here within the 6 weeks with a hectic schedule, going to 2 trips, one to Ottawa during the Canada Day, and the other one to Niagara Falls and to Toronto downtown. So their visit has been very useful In all respects, it has been a complete visit. It has been a complete experience with not only a high grade of studies, with high caliber of teaching over here, as well as with the entertainment and enjoyment and the cultural activities of the Canadian system over here. So they have had a fulsome experience over here, and as I interact with all of the students, they have given a very good feedback, and we propose to continue with this program and to further join or add the mechanical engineering program for the next year. And this is something which we are going to benefit both the universities and the students. So the ultimate goal is to provide the educational experience to the students from GTU, and this is a starting point, and it has been a successful visit.